Edan attended the film premiere of Over My Dead Body. Edan attended the film premiere of Over My Dead Body. He just arrived in Hong Kong from Japan. He said with a smile that he was not smart enough because of Sleepy, but seeing the Don't Get Angry banner prepared by fans, he thought it was very creative. He said, "I am very happy to be able to participate in a good movie. I really like the experience. This time is different from the previous one."
Edan reiterated that he was not offended by netizens' comments. As for whether he will take a photo with Anson Lo again, it depends on his mood, and he will not deliberately avoid it. In addition to it, he said he will go to Malaysia in May to perform. He feels nervous by now. About Over My Dead Body, this is a 2023 Hong Kong black comedy film. It will be released on April 4, 2023. We share the trailer in our comment section.